A21 GMC Yukon, replacing the cabin filter. Going over in your glove box. You're going to have some stoppers on the sides of your glove box here. What you're going to do is you're going to push in, pull the glove box down, both sides. Push in, pull down. Now it will only go down so far because there's a damper right here on the corner. You're going to have to disconnect that by pulling out that way, and the glove box will come off. The cabin filter's in this compartment here, and the way you get the door off is you're going to push this tab to your right, okay? Then the corner of the door will come loose. Now you're going to take the whole thing, just grab this and move it over to the left. You're going to slide it to the left and the door will come right off. Okay, there's the cabin filter there. Just grab it, pull it right out. Okay, this one's pretty new, so we're not replacing this one, but the new one just slides right in there. And then you just get the door. You have it facing the right way. Stick it up there. And once you have it up there, it's going to slide. You'll see how it slides into this little piece that's right here. Slide it back to the right. Okay. And you can just push this down right here, and you're all done with that. Then just grab the glove box and stick it back on the hinges like that. And you can close it past the stopper. Get the damper and just snap it back on. And you're all done.